Okay guys, we have this nice salmon here. Look at this. Let's just press it nicely. Take the excess water off. Nice fresh salmon here. All right, that looks good right there. Okay, what I want to do is put a little slits in here just so that when we do our flavor, it sinks in nicely. That's all. All right, let's just season with a little bit of salt. Okay, just a nice little pinch of salt. Oh yes, this is perfect. And some black pepper. All right, let's just, there we go, just like that. Perfect. That's what you want. Okay, let's pack our fresh ginger nicely. Just cover that. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this fresh ginger. Don't be shy. Cover everything. Yes. Here we go. Let's continue our wonderful seasoning for our salmon. All right, soy sauce. Here we got some soy sauce here. Okay, we got some sesame oil. Don't be shy. Get that in there. We want these flavors to come out. And of course, oyster sauce. Yes, indeed. Get that oyster sauce in there, mix that around. All right, just like that. Yes, this is what you want. Oh, that smells delicious. Okay, let's get back to our salmon. All right, guys, you want to press this in, this wonderful mixture. Pour it and press it in. Yes, that's what you want. Take your time, press this in, let it soak into your wonderful salmon. Look at that, look at that. You got your ginger there, you just want to soak it, don't be shy. Let's just hit it with a little black pepper, and then we're going to steam this nicely. As you can see, the water is coming to a boil. We're going to steam this wonderful seasoned fish with the nice ginger. We're going to cover it now for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Want to cover it nicely and let that cook. Look at this salmon. Wow. Look at that. There you have it. Let's get some of this wonderful juice in there. This nice sauce that we put together. Yes, indeed, guys. This is the salmon. Okay, let's cut our lemon. We're going to hit it nicely to hold our seeds. Just beautiful lemon over it. Wonderful, guys. Listen, guys, I would love to hear from you. Please share your comments on this wonderful dish. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, for you first-time viewers, please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.